Hello guys, welcome to my AndWin Tech channel. Today I am going to show you in this video how to fix Roblox does not support admin installation. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you are facing the issue with your Roblox and the error you can see Roblox does not support admin installation, then I will show you how to fix this issue. First of all, you need to check whether your Windows is up to date or not. For that, you just need to click on Start menu, click on Settings, click on Windows Update. If there is any Windows update pending, just click on Download and update it. After that, just close this window, right click on the Roblox and click on Properties. In this you can see here compatibility, just click on this. You have to make sure you have to uncheck this option, run this program as an administrator. If it is checked, you need to uncheck, then click on apply, then click OK. After that, just right click on that Roblox icon again and click on show more option. After that, you can see here open file location, just click on this and right click on Roblox Studio Launcher, click on show more option, click on send to and select desktop create shortcut. Roblox new shortcut will be created on your desktop. After that, just close this window and try to launch the Roblox from here. After that, third option is just you need to press Windows plus R key. Here you type %local app data % and hit enter. After that, you need to copy this path, just right click on that, copy and open this CMD, just click on start menu, then type here command prompt. You can see here command prompt, just right click on that and click on run as administrator. Click on yes. Here you need to paste the command, just press Ctrl press V key and hit enter. After that, you need to type RMDIR space / type S and space Roblox and hit enter. Press Y and hit enter and close this window. After typing, check whether your issue has been resolved or not. Still you are facing the issue, then open your browser, log into your roblox.com. After logging to your roblox.com, just play any game. Just play any game. It will connect to the Roblox website and it will update if there is any update pending. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix Roblox does not support admin installation. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.